Reading Comprehension, The Hike. Colin and Susan went hiking up the mountain. They were hungry. They could not find anything to eat. Susan saw some blueberries in a bush. They tasted sour. Colin saw some nuts. He wanted to eat them, but he could not crack the hard shells with his teeth. They saw some leaves. Colin tried to chew them, but the leaves tasted bitter. Suddenly, they smelled food was being cooked. They saw some campers were grilling food. Colin and Susan went over to join them. Comprehension questions. Choose the correct answer. Question 1. Colin saw some A. Apples, B. Pears, C. Nuts. Question 2. How did the leaves taste? A. Sweet, B. Bitter, C. Salty. Question 3. Why did Colin and Susan eat blueberries, nuts, and leaves? A. They had no food to eat and were hungry. B. They wanted to try different types of food. C. They had plenty of food left. Question 4. They smelled something. A. Raw, B. Smoky, C. Cooking. Question 5. What were the campers doing? A. They were gathering firewood, B. They were eating, C. They were grilling some food. Let's check the answers here. Question 1. C. Nuts. Question 2. B. Bitter. Question 3. A. They had no food to eat and were hungry. Question 4. C. Cooking. Question 5. C. They were grilling some food. Well done!